We're back in Leavenworth. Situated in the Cascade Mountains, it's hard not to fall in love with the Bavarian charm and great views.
It makes you feel like you're out in one of the small towns in Europe.
The quaint little town is adorable, the German theme.
Amazing food, great beer, and so Leavenworth just delivers every time.
But according to some, the best food you can find in town is made right here at Larch.
The customer service, the food, the ambience, it's just top notch.
Look at all the little restaurants on the outside, but go to Larch. That's going to be where you're going to get the best food.
You're doing your bratwurst, you're doing your schnitzels. You know, sometimes you want that other option as well, so I feel like people come here and they're able to experience both the German and then they're going to come try the pasta. So
I think you could gain a lot of weight here in Leavenworth.
And then you got to hike it off in the
hike it
enchantments.
off.
Chef Ben works to make his menu fresh and delicious, from the pasta to the Washington-grown ingredients.
Their attention to detail is just amazing.
Everything here is homemade, it's homegrown, it's going to be delicious.
Sometimes with lasagna, you love it for like 2 bites, and I am going to eat this entire plate.
What are we going to make today? I'm excited.
We're going to make our signature, a couple signature dishes. We're going to make our roasted mushrooms and we're going to make our mushroom ravioli. That mushroom ravioli kind of is like a through line in my entire career because I've had that in all the restaurants that I've created. We've always featured mushrooms and the mushroom ravioli. There might be a little bit of like people marching out front
Right.
if we didn't have those on the menu when they came. With this pasta, you could make tagliatelle or pappardelle or any other pasta, but today we're going to make ravioli. So we're going to start with
Not just any ravioli.
we're going to make mushroom ravioli.
Mushroom
yes.
ravioli.
This is our famous. Well, it was kind of what started my culinary entrepreneurship, I guess.
We add flour, eggs, some salt, and water, and mix it up.
We'll knead it to bring it together. So someone told me years ago, and I think it holds true, is like, feel your dough, and if it feels like your earlobe, then it's the right texture.
That's a good, I would say, rule of thumb, but rule of
rule
ear.
of ear. Yeah. We're just gonna feed the dough through.
Okay.
Keep on coming on.
I know, I'm trying. I think this is a 2-person job.
Then I'm gonna have you help me by lifting this sheet. We're gonna go right on to the frame. And we have our mushroom filling here. Now you don't wanna overfill them or they will pop.
Oh, we don't want that. Okay.
Just pretend like you're doing toothpaste on your toothbrush, you know? You got a long ways to go. Let's
Okay,
go. No,
sorry. I know, get with it. Okay.
We spritz it with water and cover it with more pasta dough.
You want to make sure that you see the metal. See the
Yeah,
metal coming through? And that means that we've sealed it and it's going to come out of the frame well.
Ravioli.
Yeah. Pop them out.
Oh, that's fun.
There's our ravioli. Now we're going to go on and we're going to make the sauce and we're going to make the roasted mushrooms to go with it.
For the sauce, we put chicken broth and fresh thyme into a pan and let it reduce. Then we add some cream, let it reduce a bit more, and finish with some pepper, fresh nutmeg, and Parmesan. For the side dish, we roast mushrooms with butter, salt, and pepper, then drizzle on some honey before putting them in the oven to caramelize, and then finishing it all off with a balsamic drizzle.
Washington, we have some of the best mushrooms anywhere.
Farmers, yeah.
Yeah.
I love how you showcase the mushrooms.
We're definitely all about the mushrooms. We're a bunch of real fun guys.
You did not just say that. There's a sweetness in there, so that must be from the honey.
From our honey, yeah.
And the mushrooms are super tender, and the pasta is just perfect.
It's a nice subtle thyme flavor in the background, and that goes really well, pairs with mushrooms.
I'm kind of eating it all, aren't I? I'll share. I promise I'll share.
I'll try half a ravioli over here as well.
To get the recipe for Larch's mushroom ravioli, visit us at wagrown.com.